Hello and welcome back. As promised, I said in the previous class that I would like to show you how to bring this hint box that appears when I start typing my formulas. It gives me different options. It says, do you mean average? Do you mean avdev, the statistical function? And for some Excel users, this window doesn't come up. And we have Windows users, we have Mac users. So I decided to show both how to turn on and off this box so that it's helpful for you. For Mac users, we will go to Excel, Preferences. There's a menu option called Autocomplete. You would click on that, and this is it. If this box is unchecked, it says Show Autocomplete Options for functions and name ranges. If that's unchecked, let's go back. When I hit equal sign and I start typing average, and I used to do tab. When I hit tab, it auto-completes. This time it doesn't. It does not understand what I'm trying to do. So I will have to type a whole word, average. Sorry for my typo, average. And I need to open parentheses. Then it shows me what goes into average formula. For me to fix that, I would again go to Excel. I would go to Preferences. And then I will hit this autocomplete menu. I will check this box, go back, and let's try it. Now, if I start typing average, it will bring me that. And if I want to type name ranges, it will also show me name range options. Let's go back to Windows users. Now, the Windows users, this will be on File, Options. You would go under Formulas, and this little box that says Formula Autocomplete would be unchecked if you don't see the box. So if I uncheck it, hit OK. Now I want to type, let's type sum. It doesn't give me anything. Let's type average. Doesn't give me anything. Gives me an error. But then if I go back, File, Options, Formulas, and if I check this box, Formula Autocomplete is on. Now, when I start typing, it gives me different options of formulas. I did sum, I can do average, and you can also look up named ranges. Now, for named ranges, I want to show you for Windows users. It's a cool thing. I don't know it for Mac, but for Windows, it worked for me. Now, if you don't remember your range name, so let's name this range. Right click, define name. We'll name this range numbers. And if I want to say, give me an average of that, numbers, average, but I don't remember what I named that table. For Windows users, you would hit F3. F3 would give you a list of all the named ranges you have. So you can easily choose from the list. Let's do another one, A, B, C, and let's call this letters. Now, if I want to refer to letters, let's say letters, it appears here, but if I don't remember what it was, I had just hit equal, and then I hit F3, and now it gives me a list of letters and numbers. I also want to show you on Windows platform how to manage names. There is this window called Name Manager. You would just click on that, and this will bring you all the names that exist in Excel. It's a lot easier than Mac. You can just double click on this. You can change letters to letters A, B, C, and it will change the name For Mac, it's a little bit tricky, but for this one, it is easy. And to delete the name range, you would just select it, hit delete, confirm, and you would delete the named range. This is how you go to your named ranges. I hope this helped. Thank you very much, and I'll see you next class.